Hi, here's a new feature implemented on the next version of Instadeq. It's called History Undo. So imagine I have here a cell and I already made some changes and I realize I made a mistake and I want to go back. Usually tools either don't have undo or they have one step undo. What we have is if you click here on the more icon on the top right of the cell, you will see an icon here, and when you click it, you will see this. It says entry 10 of 10 from and the date of that change, and we are at the rightmost position on this slider. And if we move around, we will see different entries. If we go back to the left, we see how the item was at the beginning of time, and we can pick which one we want to restore. So let's say I want to remove all the temporary calculated fields except one, and I go here and I click restore, and we are back to that. And if we go back again, we can see that this is the current state, and the previous state was how it was before the restore. So I can undo the restore, and all the other ones are the ones that were before that. And by default, Instadeq will keep 25 entries, history entries for each entity, and when you have more than 25, it will remove the ones that are closer, so that it keeps a good overview of the history of the item spread across time. And with that, you can go back as far back in time as you want, and we may make this number configurable. We want to keep a good balance between memory consumption and utility of the feature. We think 25 is a good thing. And if you go to restore and you don't want to restore anything, you can just click close and close it and go back where you are. So this was the history undo feature on Instadeq, and if you have any comments, just contact us on social media. Bye.